everybody, and welcome to this video on summation notation. In this video, we're going to have a look at the following exercise. Now, it looks very scary and complicated, but it is actually quite simple. So we have to just identify what type of sequence do we have on each side. So on this side here, we have a geometric sequence. How do we know our index is in the exponent? So this is geometric. And on the right-hand side, what we have is an arithmetic series. So how do we know this is arithmetic? Is because it is a linear function of our index. So it's a linear, it's just a linear one. And so that's how we know. So this one here, we have that it is the sum to infinity because we have infinity over there. So we have to calculate the sum to infinity. Okay, so for us to calculate the sum to infinity, we're going to have to know what's A and R. So A is our first term. We get that by substituting the bottom index. So it's 27 times P to the power of 1, which is just 27P. Our R is what is the base of our exponent, which is P. Our unknown is P. So there we have the two things that we need. For the arithmetic series, we're going to need, it's a sum of 12 terms. So we have A, N, and D. We need to find out what each one of these are. A is when we substitute our bottom index. So it's 24 minus 3 times 1, which is equal to 21. Our N is our top minus our bottom plus 1. So there are 12 terms. And our D is our coefficient of our index, which is minus 3. If you're unsure about how to get any of these things, please watch our previous videos where we go through how to calculate the sum in detail. Okay, so now we're going to equate the sum to infinity formula to the sum of the arithmetic formula. So we have that the sum to infinity formula is 1a over 1 minus r, and that is equal to n over 2 times 2a plus n minus 1 times d. So the a, we calculated it, is 27p over 1 minus p, which is our r. Our n is 12, so it's 6 over 2 times 2 times 21 plus 11 times minus 3. Okay, let's continue. So we get 27p over 1 minus p is equal to 6 times 42 minus 33. So 27p over 1 minus p is equal to, let's calculate this. So 42 minus 33 times 6 is 54. So now what we can do is we can multiply by the LCD. So it's 27p is equal to 54 times 1 minus p, or cross multiply. So this is 27p is equal to 54 minus 54p, and we distribute. That's 54p. Okay, and then we can group on one side. So we can take this on one side. So we're going to get that minus 54 plus 27 is 81p is equal to 54. So 54 dividing both sides by 81, we get that p is 2 over 3. So there we go, we have solved for our p. It looked a bit complicated, but you just take it step by step and identify what we are working with. Okay, thank you for watching. Please watch the other videos in our series for more information. Thank you, bye.